In this video I will tell you how to change ringtones on iPhone. So it's very easy. For get start, go to setting, scroll down, you see an option sounds and happy text. So tap here, scroll down, click this option ringtone. Now you want to change ringtone, you can select everyone. For example, this one. It doesn't difference. Everyone you want to select. Every ringtone you want to select, you can. Okay, so then you will go back. Then it will save. Now, if you have any question, write in comments. Subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. So have a good day.